Happy Deepavali everyone. Padmanane Padmabhuru Padmakshi Padmasambhave Tanme Bhajasi Padmakshi Ena Saukhyam Labhamyaham. I am blessing personally. Hope this Diwali brings you every joy and blessing. Happy, prosperous Deepavali and Happy New Year.
Happy Diwali. Wish you all.
Happy Diwali, everyone. My name is Aditi Agarwal, and I am the president of India Club. Earlier this year, the executive committee and we came in with full force and excitement. We had some new ideas to implement and some new events to bring. And then the pandemic hit. And so much has changed over the past few months. We now live in a new world. And I'm sure you've all had to make adjustments to this new world and what they now call the new normal. However, the committee members, who are also volunteers of this community, have been putting some ideas together to bring India Club back online. And with everything else that's happened this year, I'm sure that we'll get through this one too. So thank you all for your support. Thank you all for your patience. And thank you for supporting each other in Dayton. This is what makes our Dayton strong. So stay strong, stay safe, and please stay at home. Thank you, and happy Diwali once again.
Happy Diwali. My name is Satinder Saini. I have been living in Ohio for the last 53 years.
Smile.
And have been an active part of the India community since then. Now I'm a senior, so I'm relaxing. And I would like to wish everybody a very, very happy Diwali.
I'm Prem Singla and I have been living here almost 53 years. Just wanted to wish everybody a very happy Diwali.
Hello, my name is Pushpa Makar and my husband's name is Jagdish Makar. He couldn't be here today, he was kind of busy. But I would like on his behalf to wish you a very, very happy Diwali. And God bless you all and take care. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Giribala and my husband name is Kausik Seth. Happy Diwali to everybody. I have been here 40 years and I say everybody to Sal Mubarak.
Hi, I'm Indra Madiratta and we also been living here for last 53 years and been involved in India Club from the beginning and we support India Club all the time. So happy Diwali everybody.
Hi, I'm Paul Madiratta and I'm one of the young at heart seniors of Beaver Creek that have been involved with the Diwali programs, the day one with all the funny programs and mystery items and all. So we had fun at every Diwali and too bad in this COVID season we can't be together. But anyway, I wish everybody a happy Diwali and lots of fun.
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!
இனிய தீபாவளி நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Happy Diwali everyone!
आज दिवाली के शुभ अवसर पर हम इंडिया क्लब की तरफ से सभी सुनने वालों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं।
आइए हम सभी साथ मिलके शुभ दिवाली सेलिब्रेट करते हैं।
चलिए आज हम अपने मन के दियों को जलाते हैं। हमारे मन के दिए में जो ज्योति है उससे इतना उज्जवलमान है कि सारे कठिनाइयों के अंधेरे दूर हो सकते हैं।
हम प्रार्थना करते हैं श्री राम भगवान हमें शक्ति दें, हमारे मन के दिए की ज्योति उज्जवल बनी रहे।
महालक्ष्मी पूजन पर हम प्रसाद बनाते हैं, भोग लगाते हैं और हमारा यह प्रयत्न है कि हमारे पास में रहने वाला कोई भी मन उदास ना हो और हैप्पी दिवाली। नमस्कार।
नमस्कार।
Hello everyone and namaste. I'm your cultural chair for year 2020. I know this year has been so hard on all of us, and truly I miss seeing you all. I miss celebrating this Diwali with you all. I miss seeing our little kids performing on the stage. But with lots of hope and faith, I want to bring these Diwali wishes from my family to yours. I want to wish you happy Diwali. May this Diwali ward off the evil eye that has brought a lot of trouble on all of us. I wish you all ample of luck and prosperity in the coming days. So stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and keep dancing.
Hi everyone, wish you a very happy Diwali, dear Dayton family. Hope you all stay safe and healthy and have a prosperous next year.
हैप्पी दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आप सबको, आपकी फैमिलीज यहाँ पर इंडिया कहीं पे भी हों, आपके दोस्त, भगवान करे सब बहुत सेफ हेल्दी रहें और इस दिवाली पर बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। वी आर ऑल लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू 2021। आई एम श्योर कि बहुत मिलेंगे, बहुत पार्टीज़ करेंगे। विल जस्ट गेट ओवर दिस इन नेक्स्ट फ्यू मंथ्स और 6 months and we look forward to that and have a very happy Diwali and wish you a great start to 2021. Thank you very much.
Namaste everyone, we are Haritashas. Wish you a very happy Diwali from our family to yours.
Let's celebrate the festival in the true sense by spreading joy and lighting up the world of others. Have a happy, safe and blessed Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Hi friends, happy Diwali. May all your hopes and dreams come true. May Goddess Lakshmi and Ganeshji bless you with good health and happiness. Happy Diwali.
All a very happy Diwali. Hope you all have a very happy and safe Diwali this year. Enjoy from our family to yours.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Namaskar. I'm Dr. Jansi Koduri. On behalf of MVRP family, I like to wish the whole Dayton community happy Diwali. Diwali brings the values of prosperity and progress, the triumph of light over darkness, victory of hope over despair, knowledge over ignorance. Year 2020 is very challenging. We had to face COVID-19 pandemic. We have seen a lot of sickness. We have lost some lives. We have seen the awkwardness of elections, desensitizing our sensitivities, many natural disasters. We are here celebrating Diwali with joy. We move forward with hope. We share love. We share our values. Here is my recommendation. Eat sweets. Wear something sparkly. Enjoy Diwali. Invite all your family and friends, not to your homes, to your heart. Cherish the memories. Enjoy the life and all the success it brings to you. May Goddess Lakshmi bring wealth and well-being to you and all your families. Thank you, India Club of Dayton and Executive Committee, for your efforts to bring our community together in this challenging times. Hope you all have a great time. Love you all.
Hello Dayton families. Wish you all a very happy and Shubh Deepavali.
Wish you all a day full of wonderful and colorful lights and happy.
Hello everyone, this is Neeraj Amthani, State Representative here in my office at the State House in Columbus. Just wanted to wish everyone a very happy Diwali. Obviously we can't gather this year, but just like the message of Diwali, there will be hope soon. Goodness will win over darkness. and just want to wish the entire Indian community and India Club in Dayton a very happy Diwali.
I wish you a very, very happy Diwali. Happy Diwali, everyone. Bye.
Namaste. Hello everyone. The Devata family wishes you and your family a very happy Diwali.
Stay safe
And COVID-free.
May this festival of light fill your life with the glow of happiness and the sparkle of joy. Happy Deepavali!